There's two more things that are YouTube opportunities beyond just building your channel. There is something called the YouTube community that you unlock after you get 1,000 subscribers. Is that right, Manuel?
You need to get 1,000 subscribers. This thing right here, it says community. It's like YouTube's attempt to create their own Facebook social media feed in which people can post things, creators can post things that go beyond just video. So if you click on this one, for example, on my side, you'll see that we post things over here. We promote other products. For example, this is actually a video that's being promoted there. This one is also a video. There's a lot of things that are done. For example, if you look at, I'll show you one example of a YouTube community. You have to have 1,000 subscribers. So you push until you get 1,000 subscribers, and then you will unlock this thing right here. But for Dr. Berg, we post every single day about his products, his offers, his information products. If you go to community, you'll see it over here. This is a success story. This is inside YouTube. And the cool thing about this is that it's being fed already to your subscribers. So the subscribers that you already have are going to be notified of this content right here. Dr. Berg gets a lot of engagement. He has 24 comments on that one, 263 likes. This is another post on 1 meal a day, for example. You can read more on images. As you guys know, YouTube is a video-heavy platform. So this is another place that they're actually, they want to keep people on YouTube, so they're trying to give them another option. This has been going for a while, but 516 likes. This is all organic content, organic reach. Another articles, more stuff. So again, this one right here this is a lead magnet right here. So for example, sticking to a keto diet but struggling to figure out what to eat. If so, you're in the right place. I'm Dr. Berg, and I've been helping people reach their goals for years with the help of keto and intermittent fasting. And now, when you opt in to my messenger channel, you'll receive, this is a messenger channel that we built here. Click here to join. You can click on this one, and it's gonna become a lead generation. So inside YouTube, we can consistently work on bringing people to our list. Why? Because YouTube does not give you emails and phone numbers. And in the end, this is actually a YouTube viewer, not your prospect. So you gotta have strategies along the way to bring identities into your world. Phone numbers and emails. So YouTube community is another section that you can utilize to have people, oh my God, yeah, I wanna get this thing. Let me just download that thing right there. And now you can get the keto recipes content or whatever is being promoted. This one is to Messenger. Some people don't like Messenger, so it's not for everybody to use, but we extract phone numbers, we extract emails, and that's basically another aspect of YouTube that you can actually keep on creating on as you build this community.
Yep. One last thing that you could do, which I like a lot, is polls. So you can survey your audience and then get feedback from them, and you can ask them things of like, what kind of content do you want to see more of, or what kind of problems you're running into, etc. And then you can use this to make better videos. And then the last thing I wanted to go over, this is super hot right now. It's called YouTube Shorts. These are 15-second vertical style videos for mobile.
Up to 1 minute.
Up to 1 minute. That you can take from like TikTok, whatever. If you have a TikTok channel, you can just repurpose that, or you can make exclusive content just for your YouTube videos. But this is something new, and when something new comes out, whether it's with Facebook or Instagram or YouTube or whatever, when they get a new feature, they really try to promote it. So they give you a lot of views that you otherwise wouldn't get with your other videos. So
this is basically their response to the TikTok explosion, Instagram Reels. This is vertical content. YouTube is a horizontal content platform. They launched this thing called YouTube Shorts to try to give creators, and they're making a big push for it. And when you search for something, like for example, I'm searching for keto diet on YouTube, you can see all the content in there. And then on the phones, on the cell phones, you're gonna see other rows that get inserted that say YouTube Shorts. And it's a horizontal feed of content that you can go through it. You can check it out, you'll see it. Search for keto diet on your phone, and now you have vertical content. So it's another place that you can find new subscribers on the YouTube platform.